All right, I'm going to just show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation with tools that the school already has. So I'm going to just go into my 4Cs, and then I'm going to click on this little sign right here. It looks like I rolled a 9 in dice, and I'm going to pull up OneDrive. This is a place that you organize all the files that you create in all these different programs. And the first thing you do is, OneDrive can be a little disorganized, so just create a folder. You might do the class name, 2025, something like that. Create. And then you're going to go back into your folder by clicking on folders. That's how you can see how I can keep organized with all my folders. I don't know what I would do without them. And let's see, going to go to Creative Writing 2025. And then I'm going to click on New again, this plus sign, and create a PowerPoint. And this is pretty easy. It's kind of intuitive. If you want to start just filling in the text, you can start filling in these boxes. Once you've got some text going, you can start using the designer. And the way you do that is you click on Design, and then the designer gives you some options for how to design your slides. The other thing that's good to know is when you have new insert, you do Insert New Slide. And if you click on this little downward pointing arrow, it'll give you all these different options for how you want to lay out your slides. So I'll do a little bit of text and come back and show you what it looks like. So you see I've got the text written for several of the slides here. So I'm going to do Design and then Designer. And I can choose what I want the presentation to look like. Now this sets the design for the whole thing. And if you don't like, you can see if there's more design ideas in the next window. I wouldn't overthink this though. How about that one? Oh, I can't see my quote very well. That one. Should have gone with my first instincts. And then it'll give me slides that kind of match that first one as we keep going. And I can pick which one seems to match my content. You can also do this as you go along. It formats them very nicely for you. All right, and when you're finished, it's time to record the video. And so that's what my next video will show you how to do.